This ain't build a bitch. You don't get to pick and choose. Different ass and bigger boobs. If my eyes are brown or blue, this ain't build a bitch. I'm filled with flaws and attitudes. So if you need perfect, I'm not built for you. Yeah. Bob the Builder broke my heart. Told me I need fixing.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and I'm back with a bronzy slash nude makeup tutorial. So if you want to learn, keep on watching. As always, I'm starting off with my brows. If you have been following me since a while, you would know how obsessed I'm with a good brows, and I love to create a thick, large and well snatched brows. And to get one, you just need any product that is dark in color. It can be your eyeshadow, kajal, or whatever that is dark. And to get the precise shape, you need to clean up with a concealer. Here I'm using a concealer by LA Girl. The thickness or darkness of the brows absolutely depends upon you and your choices. And now I am blending it, and that's the perfect brows I was talking about. Next, I'm taking orange color corrector to cancel out any dark areas that I might have, like around my nose, my lips and under eyes. And for those who have dark circle, this product is a must use. And yes, blending it with my finger. Next, I'm taking a foundation by LA Girl, which is my absolute favorite, and in the shade beige, of course. I've taken a few drops onto my brushes and then applying it on my face, and then kind of spreading it around and preparing it for the final blend by a beauty blender. I don't know if you would find this step satisfying, but I do, and I love this step so much. I can keep on blending it. And since I'm such a full coverage girl when it comes to makeup, I am applying the second layer of foundation to give an extreme coverage. Next, I'm taking the same foundation in the shade Rich Cocoa to use it as a contour cream. Basically, this is the product that's gonna give me that bronzy look. To accentuate my cheekbones, I'm making this curved shape, to make it more prominent, and yes, taking an angled brush to blend the product. After blending, I felt like I needed to accentuate my cheekbones even more. So I'm making the same curvy shape again. Next, I'm taking the same concealer and applying it in the areas that you can see, to highlight or pop those areas out, like my under eyes, the bridges of my nose, my forehead, and my chin areas also. And again, blending. And to be honest, the entire makeup process, to get this flawless and smooth makeup, blending process is the key. Next, I'm taking a bronzing palette by Makeup Revolution and setting those areas that I contoured a while ago. Now I'm setting the highlighted areas with a loose powder by Makeup Revolution, an amazing product for sure. And now I am using a peachy blush by Color Bar. I must say it's an amazing product. I'm using this dark bronze compact to accentuate the contouring effect. You can see I'm not bringing it in the front side. In fact, I'm concentrating at the end so that my face can look thinner in the picture or videos. Okay, now is an interesting step, and I'm calling it so since I don't have a darker lip liner. I'm using my contour cream to function it as my lip liner. Now I'm filling the sides, avoiding to fill the middle areas of my lips because I'm going to be using my concealer to do that for me. Next comes my eyes, and if you have noticed, I'm not using my eyeshadow. In fact, I have taken my bronzing compact. It's very versatile. Now this is called a highlighter, and it's a game-changing product, and applying it on the high ends of my face, and you can see the difference that it makes. Next, I'm using my eye lens by PAC in the shade Grey. And again, eyelashes by PAC, but I don't exactly remember the number. Now this is a lip gel by Miss Claire, amazing product for picture or video.
Like a corset, virgin and a vixen. That's the kind of girl he wants, but he forgot. This ain't build a bitch.